Another top-selling product we've made for many years is the Snowbee Sling Bag. As we all know, a traditional rucksack is not always ideal when fly fishing, as you have to stop, take it off to access anything in the bag. The principle of the sling bag is it sits over one shoulder and you simply undo the clip, slide the bag round in front of you, and then all the pockets are accessed from the top of the bag. When you finish taking out what you need, you slide it back around, do the clip up and carry on fishing. So the main strap features a D-ring for accessories and also a small pocket for snips, pincers, whatever. All the pockets are accessed from the top, so you have a large main pocket which includes a rear pocket with a microfiber sunglass cleaning cloth, loads of mesh pockets for accessories, leaders, fly boxes, etc. If you want to change flies, you can fold the whole front of the pocket down to give you a working platform. On the front of the bag we have a large pocket with a water resistant zip for a camera or similar, and on the bottom of the bag we have a mesh pocket with a toggle lock adjuster for a water bottle.